Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. /car costs, smart moves to trim your vehicle expenses. Reducing car operating costs is a practical and essential concern for many individuals today. The impact of high expenses not only affects our wallets, but also contributes to environmental strain. By adopting cost-effective strategies, we can alleviate financial burdens and lessen our ecological footprint. In the quest for more economical transportation solutions, understanding the significance of reducing car operating costs becomes imperative. High fuel prices, maintenance expenses, and insurance premiums all add up to substantial financial commitments for car owners. These costs not only strain personal budgets but also have broader implications on the environment due to increased fuel consumption and emissions. By implementing practical and effective strategies to reduce car operating costs, individuals can not only save money but also contribute to a more sustainable future. From optimizing fuel efficiency to embracing eco-friendly driving habits, there are various ways to lower expenses and lessen the environmental impact of our transportation choices. Regular maintenance and inspections. Regular maintenance and inspections are key to extending the lifespan of your car and minimizing long-term costs. By staying proactive and ensuring your vehicle is in top condition, you can prevent major issues that may lead to expensive repairs down the line. Let's delve into two crucial aspects of regular maintenance: oil changes and tire maintenance. Oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, lubricating its components to reduce friction and heat buildup. Timely oil changes are vital for ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Most manufacturers recommend changing the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but this can vary based on your driving habits and the type of oil used. Regular oil changes contribute to a healthier engine, prolonging its lifespan and improving fuel efficiency. By replacing old, dirty oil with fresh oil, you reduce wear on engine parts and allow them to function optimally. While the cost of an oil change may seem like an added expense, it pales in comparison to the savings you'll reap from avoiding costly engine repairs in the future. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance is essential for both safety and cost savings. Well-maintained tires not only enhance your driving experience, but also help reduce fuel consumption. Regularly checking tire pressure, rotating tires, and ensuring proper wheel alignment can prevent uneven wear and extend the life of your tires. Maintaining optimal tire conditions not only improves fuel efficiency, but also enhances vehicle handling and traction. By investing in tire maintenance, you not only save money by prolonging the life of your tires, but also improve overall driving performance. Remember, a well-maintained set of tires can go a long way in reducing long-term operating costs. By staying on top of routine maintenance tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks, you can keep your car running smoothly while avoiding costly repairs. Regular inspections can help detect potential issues early on, allowing you to address them before they escalate into major problems. Prioritizing regular maintenance is a smart investment that pays off in the long run, both in terms of vehicle longevity and cost savings. Fuel efficiency techniques. When it comes to reducing car operating costs, improving fuel efficiency is a key factor to consider. By implementing certain driving habits and eco-driving techniques, you can effectively lower your overall fuel consumption and save money in the long run. Driving habits. Aggressive driving behaviors such as rapid acceleration, speeding, and sudden braking can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel consumption. By driving at moderate speeds, avoiding sudden accelerations, and planning your routes efficiently, you can optimize your fuel efficiency and reduce the amount of gas your car consumes daily. Eco-driving techniques. Eco-driving is a concept aimed at promoting fuel-efficient driving practices that not only benefit your wallet, but also the environment. By employing strategies such as smooth acceleration, maintaining a steady speed, and anticipating traffic flow to minimize unnecessary stops and starts, you can maximize your fuel savings and contribute to a greener planet. Remember, small changes in your driving habits and techniques can lead to significant savings on fuel costs over time. Incorporating these fuel efficiency techniques into your daily driving routine can make a notable difference in your overall operating expenses while promoting a more sustainable approach to transportation. Insurance and financing optimization. Optimizing your car insurance policies and financing can significantly impact your overall operating costs. By strategically bundling your insurance policies and refinancing your car loan, you can unlock savings and improve your financial health. Insurance bundling. When you bundle multiple insurance policies such as auto and home insurance with the same provider, you can enjoy various advantages. Insurance companies often offer discounts for bundling policies, resulting in cost savings for policyholders. By consolidating your insurance needs with one provider, you not only simplify the management of your policies, but also increase the potential for discounts on your premiums. Consider bundling your insurance policies to maximize savings and streamline your coverage needs. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of /Car Costs, Smart Moves to Trim Your Vehicle Expenses. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue exploring more ways to save money on your car expenses. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.